What is LIMS software? LIMS software, or Laboratory Information Management System. It's a software program that is used to track work in the laboratory and capture results of testing. The features provided by LIMS is dependent upon the provider. However, there are a few features that are common among typical LIMS. Order, sample, and test management. One of the most important features of a LIMS is the ability to track work throughout the laboratory and maintain that traceability in the future. Each LIMS provider may handle this slightly differently, but in general there's a method to identify an overall order, a collection of samples on that order, and the tests assigned to those samples. Wavefront LIMS provides multiple paths for creating and tracking these objects, including automatic creation through an interface with an ERP system, creation through the execution of predefined templates, and manual creation. Entering test results. Another important feature of any LIMS is the ability to enter test data directly into the system. Data entry is commonly done manually, but if the LIMS provider has the capability, instrument interfacing is a valuable tool to reduce typos and minimize manual data entry tasks. Wavefront LIMS has many years of experience interfacing with many different manufacturers and types of laboratory instruments. Completing testing. Finally, when testing is complete, data from all of the testing on a sample or order is usually combined into a report or an exported file for use outside of LIMS. The capabilities and features of the LIMS provider will determine what can be done with the data. Other LIMS features. Every laboratory has different requirements for their processes and workflows, and each LIMS provider addresses those requirements differently. Some common functions achieved in a LIMS are listed below. Specification management and application to tests. Instrument and calibration tracking. Laboratory status boards and dashboards for tracking workflow and metrics. SPC calculations and control charts. Barcoding. Test scheduling. Wavefront LIMS, the science behind the solution.